If you want your attic fan to actually work and keep your home cool, testing it with ridge and soffit vents is an absolute must. So, first up, make sure your attic fan is installed near the ridge vent. This is where hot air escapes. Then check your soffit vents down low, because that's where fresh air comes in to replace the hot air being pushed out. You gotta have both working right, otherwise your fan's just spinning for nothing. Test it on a warm day by feeling if air is flowing in at the soffits and out at the ridge. If you don't feel much airflow, your vents could be blocked or too small. Also, make sure the attic fan itself is clean and free of debris. Dust can slow it down big time. Another tip is to check your attic insulation because too much can block vents and mess with airflow. Lastly, listen for any weird noises from the fan. That might mean it needs fixing or replacing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with attic fan testing is ignoring blocked soffit vents, which kills the airflow and makes the fan useless. Fix this by clearing any debris or adding more vents if needed. Another common issue is installing the fan without a ridge vent to let hot air out. Without that outlet, the fan just recirculates hot air. To fix this, install or upgrade your ridge vent so air can escape properly. Third, many folks overlook checking if their attic fan's motor is working smoothly. If it's grinding or slow, it's not going to move enough air. Get that motor cleaned or replaced to keep things running right. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about attic fans and ventilation. Contractors can also use it to connect with more clients who need their services, making it a win-win for everyone.